everyone, welcome back to the kitchen. Today we're going to make the simplest thing that we possibly can using our homemade ranch dressing mix. We're going to make a delicious sour cream and ranch dip that you can use throughout the holiday season and beyond for parties, picnics, potlucks, and just anytime you want a delicious snack. I can't wait to show you how this all comes together. Today we're going to use some of our homemade ranch dressing mix, and we're going to make the super simplest thing out of it. 2 ingredients, delicious ranch dressing dip. Perfect for all your veggie trays, for your chip and dip snacks, for any time during the holiday season and beyond that you need to have a dip ready to go. You can have this in your fridge and it's absolutely fantastic. So what you're going to start off with is 2 cups of sour cream. Use a good quality sour cream. It should really only have 2 ingredients, cream and a good bacteria that makes it thick and sour creamy. It shouldn't have any gelatin in it or anything, because that's just an additive they put in there to thicken things up. So make sure you read the label. Then we're going to use our homemade ranch dressing dip, 2 tablespoons. Of course, you can always adjust this to your liking. If you don't like a super bold flavor, you can just add 1 tablespoon. If you like it really, really bold and flavorful, you can add 3. And I know that it seems super simplistic and anybody probably knows how to make ranch dip, but this is our homemade version, and you can zhuzh this up by adding chopped green onion. You can put some chipotle in here. It would be delicious. It would make it spicy. This is really a blank canvas for you. You can add whatever you like in here to zhuzh this up, and it's going to be fantastic, and people are going to love it because everybody loves ranch. This is great, like I said, for veggie trays. It's great as if you like a thicker salad dressing, you could even, put a dollop of this on a baked potato. It's going to be fantastic.
Wings.
You could use this for wings, absolutely. And now we're just going to put it in a serving dish. Well, there you have it. I've set up our little chip and dip tray here. I just popped all of our dip in a bowl, and I opened up the bag of chips that I had on hand, so it may not be all good chips, but is there really a bad chip? Because I don't think there is. So this is just going to satisfy that place. And look, if you like your ranch dip a little more flavorful, add an extra tablespoon. That's what I did after I tasted it today. But remember, I have just popped this in the bowl after I made it immediately. You're going to want to let this sit in the refrigerator for a couple of hours so all of those spices have a chance to bloom. Those dehydrated onions have a chance to rehydrate, and the dip is going to get even thicker and more delicious as it sits. So if you want to make this a day ahead of time of your event, that is what I recommend, because it's going to be super delicious regardless. It's good right now, but it's going to be fabulous tomorrow. So keep that in mind. This is also, like I said, great dolloped on top of a baked potato, used as a dip for French fries. You could even use this as a spread on your turkey sandwich using your turkey leftovers. There are really endless possibilities for any kind of ranch dip or dressing that you can think of. Do you want to taste this?
I have to.
He has to.
Mm-hmm. Better than store-bought.
Absolutely. It's very good. You guys, it's ranch. What can I say? But you made it yourself, and that makes it even more special. This little jar of ranch dressing mix that we made is going to be inordinately less expensive than buying a whole bunch of packets or a great big canister of ranch dressing mix. Trust me, you can make a lot of ranch dressing mix for a little bit of money. And you can start by making this dip when you make it. So, I hope you give this homemade sour cream ranch dressing dip a try sometime soon, whether it's for a holiday party, a picnic, or a potluck later in the year, or just whenever you want a delicious snack to go along with your chips. I hope you try it. I hope you love it. And until next time, happy holidays!